Welcome to our lesson on closures in JavaScript. A closure is a function that has access to its outer function scope, even when the outer function has returned. Let's consider an example of a closure. Here, we have an outer function that returns an inner function. The inner function has access to the outer function scope, which includes the counter variable. When we call the outer function, it returns the inner function, which we assign to a variable. Even though the outer function has returned, the inner function still has access to its scope. When we call the inner function, it increments the counter variable and logs its value to the console. As you can see, the inner function still has access to the outer function scope. If we call the inner function again, it will increment the counter variable again and log its new value. This demonstrates that the inner function is indeed a closure with access to the outer function scope. So, what are the benefits of using closures in JavaScript? They can help with data encapsulation, function factory patterns, and more. In practice, closures can be used to create private variables, simulate classes, and more. They're a powerful tool in JavaScript, and understanding them can help you write more efficient and effective code.